milk tea bags. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name's Jessie. If it's your first time here, I hope you're all doing super amazing. I create videos like this 3 times a week. Hit that subscribe button if you do want to see more videos from me. In today's video, I'm super excited to be trying a DIY Boba Kit. I received a package from the Bubble Tea Club, thank you guys. And here it is. It's my very own bubble tea DIY kit. From what I remember, they sent me 6 flavors and 3 toppings to go with it, so it's a massive box here. I'm really excited to try the flavors and see what they've put together. I actually don't know what to expect in here. I don't know what's inside at all, so you guys are going to do the unboxing with me. I think DIY bubble tea is an awesome idea, especially at times like this where you could be in lockdown and you can't go and get your daily fix. Well, here it is. Cute. Thank you, Pam and Jen. Let's see what we have inside. Ooh. I love the packaging. Taro powder, crema, Thai powder. I think this is Thai milk tea flavour. Ooh, honeydew. Green tea bag. Wow, there's heaps of flavours here. Milk tea bag. Yum. This is the pearls. We've got rainbow jelly, coconut jelly, yum. Fructose, lychee syrup, mango syrup. There's quite a bit of flavours. There's more. So I get my own bubble tea cup glass with this straw. So cute. Straw cleaner. And 2 more metal straws. Awesome. So here are the contents of the box. There's so many flavors and toppings to choose from and you can mix it up. Really excited to try these. Alright, so the recipes based on reading this box here. The recipes, you can scan a QR code or you can directly go online to get recipes. So let's do that. I love how this cup is reusable. And they gave you a plastic straw and 2 metal straws. All of them which are reusable, amazing. And it's a twist top so you can actually carry your boba around without spilling. So you screw it on like that. And then the straw up, goes up like that. Cute. And it's got a little lid to cover your straw cup too. Alright, so what I'm going to do is head over to the website and check out some recipes. Okay, I'm not sure that worked, so we're going to go to the website instead. bubbleteaclub.com.au/pages/recipes. Okay, that took us through. Quite a few recipes here. Milk tea, fruit tea, taro, honeydew, lychee, Thai. Amazing. So it lists the ingredients and it tells you the instructions. I will be testing a few of the flavors today depending on the time that we have and review them for you guys. Use 2 tablespoons of pearls for each flavor. We'll be putting in 8 tablespoons altogether. mango and lychee iced tea uses green tea bags. So we're just going to put them in together to make one batch. For the milk tea, you need a tea bag as well, so we're going to soak this too. With the Honeydew Thai Milk Tea and Taro, you add 3 tablespoons of the powder and also 250 ml of hot water to dilute. Here they are. So I've done the milk tea ones first, and we're going to try them before the ice and everything melts, before we try the fruit drinks. Purple one is the taro. Really happy with these 4 flavours because these are the types of milk tea flavours that I typically get. Also brown sugar as well, but we didn't get to try that one. But I usually get taro, Thai milk tea, normal milk tea, and I get honeydew, so I love these flavours. Let's see how they compare. Wow, this taro is really nice. So I followed the exact measurements of the recipes, except for the sugar. Instead of 3 teaspoons, I've actually put 2.5 for all of them. And I think it's perfect. You can actually taste the taro flavour. Yum. Let's try the next one. Judging from the colour, this is slightly lighter, so this should be the milk tea flavour. Mix it up a bit. This is really nice. It does taste, it actually tastes like the shop. Oh, this is good. Pretty impressive. So next one is the honeydew. With the honeydew, I was super excited to try it. As soon as I opened the package, you can smell the fragrant honeydew flavour, and it reminds me of those melon ice creams that you get from the Asian grocers. I love those ice creams. It smells exactly like that. This is so good. It tastes, honestly, it tastes exactly like the melon ice cream, but in milk tea form. Like candy in a drink. And our final milk tea for today is the Thai milk tea. I always order this one as well. So compared to the milk tea, this one's slightly redder and it's a little bit darker too. Thai milk tea is good. You can actually taste some sort of tea flavour in this, even though I didn't put any tea except for the Thai milk tea powder. All in all, really impressed with the milk tea flavours so far. Alright, now I'm super excited to try our 2 iced fruit teas. We've got mango and lychee to put together. Let's do it! It's time to try the 2 fruit teas. We've got lychee and mango. I don't know which one's which, but we'll see. This one is the coconut jelly, the one with the white jelly. I'm gonna try this first. So this is the lychee one, I'm pretty sure. This tastes super refreshing. That's really good. Next and final drink for the day. This one is the green tea mango tea, and it's got rainbow jelly. This one is definitely mango. You can taste the mango flavour. And the green tea taste is also in there. The rainbow jellies for this one are not as squishy. They're more softer sort of texture. I really like these. That is all from me today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear from you. Remember to like and subscribe. I really do appreciate it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye now.